Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of living room cabinets. And trust me, it is going to be awesome. Living room cabinets are not just furniture, they are the superhero of your space. Adding both cool look, imagine a mix of simple and stylish design, perfect for everyone. So whether you are a decor expert or just starting out, these cabinet ideas are tailor made for you. Get ready to transform your living room into a stylish and functional heaven. Imagine a floating shelf in your living room, simple yet stunning. These shelves are like magic, they make your room look bigger and cooler. How well they don't touch the floor, so there is space underneath, giving a breezy vibe. Installing them piece of cake. You can do it yourself. No need for a want a modern speculoos feel without a fuss. Go for the floating shelf. It is like a makeover for your living space, easy and awesome. Step into coziness with our rustic charm design featuring barn door for your living room cabinets. Imagine the warmth and inviting vibe these barn doors bring, creating a sung atmosphere in your space. Not only do they add a touch of charm, but they also serve a practical purpose. Say goodbye. These barn doors clearly console your your belonging, maintaining a tidy look in your living room. It is like a stylish hide and slit for your belonging. Make your space trendy and organized at the same time. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and functionality with our rustic charm cabinet, turning your living room into a welcoming retreat. Introducing a modular cabinet style that is like storage superhero. It is super versatile. Managing it can change its look and functional based on what you need. Needs a spot for your books? Want a cool setup for your gadget and media stuff? It is got your covered. The best part is you are the boss of the cabinet. You can customize it to fit your style and needs. Imagine building your own storage dreamland. That is what this modular style lets you do. From bookshelf to media storage, it is like having a customizable magic box that turn your ideas into reality. So if you are all about making your own ideal setup, this modular cabinet is the way to go. Transform your living room with a savvy solution for those tricky corner. Say goodbye to wasted space with our sleek corner cabinet design. These smart features maximize storage without making your room feel cramped. It is like a storage superhero for neglect corner, making them useful and stylish. Plus, it is not just about stuff away. Our corner cabinet is also a perfect spot to showcase your favorite decorative items, picture family photos, plants, or cool knicks, knacks, adding a personal touch to your space. It is win-win, practical storage and a chance to floating your style in those often forgotten corner. Upgrade your living room with this space-saving stylish solution. Imagine having a corner in your living room that is often overlooked. We have got a solution. Our sleek corner cabinet is designed to make the most of that space. It is not just a regular cabinet, it is smart storage that fit right into the corner, using space effectively. This stylish piece does not overcrowd your room. Instead, it maximizes storage without taking up valuable floor space. The best part, you can personalize it by displaying your favorite decorative items, giving up living room a touch of your unique style. So say goodbye to wasted corner and hello to a functional chic corner cabinet that adds both storage and personality to your space. Let's wrap it up. Friends, pick the design that vibe with you and let's level up your living room together. Drop your thoughts below. We had loved to hear from you.